third brake light from a rare vehicle. It's old and it has brittle plastics. It's factory heat sealed. We use a vibrating saw to cut through the housing. This causes less damage than trying to pry it open. Inside we can see LEDs in series. If one fails, a string of LEDs usually stops. We make a simple LED tester with a 9-volt battery with a series resistor. We trim the connector so the LEDs can be tested. Now we are ready to find the faulty LEDs. The tester is easier than testing using multimeter leads. We visually find the faulty LEDs. Testing is quick and easy. The current is low, so any wrong polarity won't blow the good LEDs. We desolder the faulty LEDs. Often the problem is from water corrosion. We replace the faulty LEDs with new ones of the same brightness. We test to make sure they all work. We place some silicone in a small syringe. We put the halves together and reinstall on the vehicle. Thanks for watching.